The other area of possibility for the Monsters Inc. land is over here at Muppets. So let's take a look. This used to be a Muppets store, which is really cute inside. It hasn't been opened in years. There we go. With the rise in popularity of the Muppets, it is kind of a surprise that they never reopened this store. Another store that they never reopened was this Christmas store. This has also not been open in a very long time. This restaurant is always closed by 5 o'clock, which is also quite unfortunate.
Over here.
They close at 5 o'clock every day.
It's closed.
Why? I don't know. It seems ridiculous to close so early. So if you are wanting to come to the dance party here at Pizza Rizzo, you're going to need to do it for lunch because they are not open for dinner. But there is a swap station for fuel rods and then also some Muppets pennies, which is pretty cool. But this is one of the largest restaurants here at Hollywood Studios. So the fact that they close so early always surprised me. There's a lot of indoor seating, outdoor seating, and it's actually 2 levels. So another option of why this may be on the chopping block. Again, another space with a lot of unused space for most of the day. So the only thing really back here is the Mamma Mia restaurant, and then Muppets, of course. The Muppets 3D did get new seats, so I don't know why they would have put money into reseating the entire place if they were just going to close it. Our Muppets penny.
Muppet Vision 3D. Last call.
Don't forget, check for the key under the mat.
I dare grab some 3D glasses and head all the way into the theater. And head all the way into the theater. I got enough for all of us. Come on.
Mommy, why do we need glasses?
Grab your 3D glasses and head all the way towards our motion.
I'm just gonna look out here and not go to the show.
Grab your 3D glasses and head all the way in. 3D glasses.
Make sure you have some 3D glasses.
Thanks, Caitlin.
For the comfort and safety of everyone around you, please don't flash or stop video lighting or cell finishes during the show. Now put on your special 3D glasses as Herman and the gang proudly present Muppet Vision 3D.
What time are you off?
8:30.
I forget what time a reservation is, but it looks like you would want to make it just for lunch for dinner tonight.
How many people?
I'm using a 40, no, 50% off coupon.
I would love to put a sandwich, please. No, it's okay. Have you broken something? Because I could put $100 a paycheck into my fresh fireman's roll and into my partner's. So I'm like, it's not about me, but
So right now it's me, Bobby,
I go down to it.
and you have been there.
Yes, it's been once. Yes. It was very good. Ohana is very good. Very good. The only ones I want is the Ohana. Exactly. I'm ready to go in.
Hello, welcome. We've been here for 1 minute.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Roy.
Yeah, boss.
Over here.
Okay.
Follow me, follow me.
Yo, Rick.
Yeah, Roy.
Moving out.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, boss.
Okay. Now listen up. Where's Chuck?
Yo, Jack.
Chuck, come here. one. Chuck. There's a sign. There's a rope. Hold the rope. Hold the rope, Chuck. Okay, Chuck. Okay, here we go. Up, pull. Up. Down. Yeah, good. Chuck. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, good, Chuck. Okay, here we go. Come on. Thanks, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Roy, Rick.
Yeah, boss.
Okay. Now, there's this.